Okay, so let's do another example problem of this. I'm gonna do, let's expand x plus y to the fifth using Pascal's triangle. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing in here is we're going to expand x plus y to the fifth power using Pascal's triangle. Okay, so if I look in Pascal's triangle that we made last time, the very first one starts at 0. Okay, n is 0, then 1, 2, 3. This would be when n equals 4, and then the last row that we had here was when n equals 5. So you take the power and you go to that row on Pascal's triangle, okay? Now the only kind of weird thing about this is that we start at 0 at the very top of the triangle, okay? But this, you can kind of tell which n it is just by looking at the second entry on your on your on the row. That will always be the n number. Okay, so like you'll notice kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That's the same as the n on this. Okay, so we're doing x plus y to the fifth power. So to do that, x plus y, oop, to the fifth power, we just do, well, we look at this row and there's a 1 first. So 1 times when we put them all on x, so x to the fifth, 1x to the fifth, plus 5, we take this, then we decrease the power on x, increase the power on y by 1, okay, plus 10, we decrease power on x, so x cubed, increase power on y, y squared, plus next one is 10. We decrease power on x, increase power on y. Okay, plus 5, decrease power on x, increase power on y, and then decrease power on x, 1 times the x's go away, and we just get y to the fifth. Okay, so that would be our expanded polynomial. Again, normally I'd write these all on one line, but I can't really fit it all on there. So this would be our answer here. Okay. So this isn't too bad. Pascal's triangle makes it really easy. And if you had like higher powers, if you had a power of 6 or 7 or 8, right, you're going to have to fill in more rows of the triangle to be able to figure it out, right? But how we do that is we just add the two uh, the two elements that are right next to each other, right? We add 6. 1 and 5 is 6. There's going to be a 1 over here. 5 and 10 is 15, right? 20. Just add the two that are next to each other. Okay. And we can fill in as many rows as we need to be able to get the power that we need. Okay. So, hopefully this kind of helps with that. We're going to look at a slightly more messy example in the next problem where it's not just x and y here. Maybe we have some numbers in here as well.